These 9 habits are keeping you poor. This is Ash Cash Tash, where we take the complexity out of money matters. We are here to guide you through the ins and outs of wealth management with a smile. In this channel, we believe that navigating the world of finance shouldn't be dry and dull. That's why we bring you a delightful blend of professionalism and comedic relief to keep you engaged while we unravel the mysteries of personal finance. So grab your notepads, power up your calculators, and let's dive into the fascinating world of wealth creation. Together, we'll uncover strategies and insights that will have you confidently navigating the financial landscape. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you 9 common bad money habits that hinder financial progress. But fear not, my friends, for I'll also equip you with practical tips to break free from these habits and steer your financial ship toward success. Number 1. Paying yourself last. Get ready for a mind-flipping concept, my friends. It's time to talk about the art of paying yourself last, or should I say, the poor people's way of handling finances. You see, when your hard-earned paycheck rolls in, the typical approach is to pay all the bills first. Rent, phone, subscriptions. And then, if there's anything left, you might consider saving a measly sum. It's a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, my friends, and it's time to break free. Now, let me introduce you to the rich people's habit, the true blueprint for financial freedom. Brace yourselves for this game-changing approach. Pay yourself first. Yes, you heard it right. As soon as that paycheck hits your account, allocate a minimum of 10% to your savings. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill that must be paid. This step is crucial, my friends, because it ensures that you prioritize your own financial growth before indulging in life's pleasures. By flipping the script and paying yourself first, you're sending a powerful message to your future self. You're telling the universe that you're serious about building wealth and securing your financial future. Remember, my friends, it's not about buying things before paying yourself, but rather investing in your own dreams and aspirations. So, let's ditch the poor people's habit and embrace the rich people's way of handling our finances. Pay yourself first and watch the magic unfold as your savings grow, your financial security solidifies, and the path to true financial freedom becomes clearer than ever before. Number 2. Bad debt. Hold on to your wallets, my friends, because it's time to address another bad money habit that's running rampant in our society. Brace yourselves for the truth about getting cozy with bad debt. You see, in this day and age, debt has become the norm. People are swiping their credit cards for the smallest of purchases, buying presents, clothes, you name it. But here's the reality check we all need. Unless we can afford to pay for something in cold, hard cash, we shouldn't be using any form of debt to make that purchase. Why, you ask? Well, let me enlighten you. Credit card companies, those sneaky devils, want us to be careless with our finances. Why? Because that's how they make their money. They lure us in with shiny benefits and rewards. But here's the kicker. The average credit card interest rate is a whopping 22%. That's right, my friends. It cancels out any measly benefits or rewards they dangle in front of us. If we can't pay off our credit card balances in full, we're basically handing over our hard-earned money to the credit card companies. So, let's break free from the vicious cycle of bad debt. It's time to take control of our finances. It's time to take control of our finances and make wise choices. If we can't afford to pay for something outright, let's have the discipline to save up and wait until we can. Let's stop falling into the debt trap and start building a solid financial foundation for ourselves. Remember, my friends, credit card debt is not your friend. It's a money-sucking monster disguised as convenience. So let's be smart, be vigilant, and say no to bad debt. By doing so, we'll pave the way to financial freedom and keep those sneaky credit card companies at bay. Number 3. Buffer. Let's unravel the wisdom of number 3, knowing your income and expenses inside out. It's time to dive into the nitty-gritty of your financial landscape because, hey, how can you know where you want to be if you don't even know where you're starting from? Cue the spotlight on lifestyle inflation, my friends. As your income rises, so does your spending. It's a sneaky cycle that can trap even the best of us. More money, bigger house, fancier toys. You get the picture. But fear not. The financially successful have a secret weapon. They know their numbers inside out. They're well versed in their income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. They have a clear financial goal in mind, and they know the precise steps needed to get there. It's like having a GPS for wealth building, my friends. You see, those who take the time to be mindful of their financial situation, tracking those numbers in black and white, are more likely to take action. They're triggered into action, motivated to make smart financial choices and seize opportunities. They don't just fantasize about money. They have a plan, a strategy, and the knowledge to acquire it and manage it effectively. Number 4. Income and expenses. Listen up, my financially enlightened comrades. We're about to uncover the fourth golden nugget, knowing your income and expenses like the back of your hand. You see, to reach your destination, you need to know where you're starting from. That's where lifestyle inflation sneaks in. As your income rises, so does your spending. It's a sneaky cycle of making more and spending more, leaving you spinning your wheels. But fear not, my friends. The financially successful have a secret weapon. They know their numbers inside out. They have a clear financial vision, and they understand every nook and cranny of their income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. They're not just dreamers, they're strategic planners. By being mindful of their financial situation, they trigger action. They make smart choices, seize opportunities, and avoid the pitfalls of financial fantasy. They have a roadmap to wealth, while others wander aimlessly. So my comrades, let's take charge of our financial destiny. Dive into the depths of your financial reality. Track your income meticulously. Scrutinize your expenses ruthlessly. And embrace the power of knowing your numbers. With this knowledge, you'll make informed decisions, conquer lifestyle inflation, and set sail towards financial freedom. Number 5. Spending. Yes, we all love to shop and indulge ourselves. But here's the cold, hard truth. If you truly want to improve your financial position, it's time to rethink those pricey pastimes. Now, here's the deal, my friends. There are 2 ways to enhance your financial standing. Save more of your existing income or create additional income streams. But let me tell you, the sweet spot lies in finding the perfect balance between the two. You can't build wealth if you're making more money but spending it all. Similarly, you can't save your way to riches if you're not boosting your income. So let's be smart, my comrades. Take a closer look at those expensive hobbies that drain your hard-earned cash. Are they bringing you closer to your financial goals? Are they worth sacrificing your future wealth for fleeting moments of pleasure? It's time to reevaluate and make conscious choices. Number 6. Saving. Brace yourselves for this game-changing revelation. A combination of saving more and making more money. Yes, my friends, it's the perfect harmony of both sides of the equation that leads to true wealth-building success. Let's break it down. On one hand, saving more of your existing income is crucial. It's all about being mindful of your spending, cutting unnecessary expenses, and putting away a larger percentage of your hard-earned cash. But here's the kicker. Solely focusing on saving won't skyrocket your wealth. There's a cap to how much you can save, even with those nifty cashback sites. That's where the other side of the equation comes into play. Making more money opens up a world of infinite potential. Think about it. Investing in the stock market, asking for a well-deserved pay raise, or starting a side hustle can exponentially boost your income. The opportunities are endless. Number 7. Taxes. Now, let's face it. Taxes are a reality for all of us. But here's the secret sauce that the wealthy know. They understand tax rules and use legal strategies to minimize their tax bills. Oh yes, my friends, it's time to level up your tax game and increase your wealth. So here's the deal. While everyone has to pay taxes, the financially successful have a keen understanding of legal corporate structures and employ tax advisors to navigate the system and optimize their tax advantages. They know the rules, my friends, and they play by them. But fear not. Even if you prefer to pay your fair share of taxes, it's still essential to understand the tax rules. Why? Because by knowing the ins and outs of tax regulations, you can find legitimate ways to reduce your tax bill. Investing through accounts like an ISA or a Roth IRA, which offer tax shelters for dividends and profits, is just one example. Operating under a business structure is another avenue to explore. Number 8. Waiting too long to invest. Oh yes, it's time to put your money to work and let it grow like a majestic oak tree. But here's the secret sauce. Diversification is key. You see, my friends, having a stockpile of savings is fantastic, but leaving it idly in a bank account won't cut it. Inflation is lurking around the corner, nibbling away at your funds year by year. So it's time to get smart and venture into the realm of investments. Now, here's the deal. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Spread your investments across various opportunities to weather the storms that life may throw your way. Balance safe investments with the riskier ones that you're willing to embrace. It's about finding the sweet spot that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Number 9. Not caring. Well, it's time to face the hard truth. There's a dangerous habit that's silently robbing you of your wealth. It's a habit that's keeping you trapped in the cycle of poverty, preventing you from achieving the life you truly desire. And what is this habit, you ask? It's the insidious habit of not caring. Yes, my friends, not caring about your financial well-being is a surefire way to stay stuck in the clutches of poverty. It's time to wake up, take control, and start caring about your financial future. No more turning a blind eye to your expenses, debts, and savings. It's time to roll up your sleeves, dive deep into your financial situation, and make a change. And that wraps up another informative yet entertaining session with us. We hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we've enjoyed bringing it to you. Remember, as you embark on your financial journey, it's important to strike a balance between seriousness and a healthy sense of humor. By staying informed and having a few laughs along the way, you'll set yourself up for long-term financial success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of financial advice. We're committed to providing you with valuable insights that will make your financial journey a more enjoyable one. Connect with us in the comments section below. We love hearing from our dedicated viewers, and we'll be there to answer your questions and engage in a little friendly banter. After all, finance doesn't have to be all seriousness. Until our next episode, keep honing your financial skills with a smile, because laughter and financial prosperity go hand in hand. Wishing you financial success.